Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this week's mindfulness meditation. Today, we're going to do another guided relaxation technique written by Melissa Dormoy of Shambhala Kids. Today's is called Happiness Factory. But before we get started, let's start with our breathing. All right, are you ready? Breathe in through your nose. And breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose. And breathe out through your mouth. Can you feel the air going through your nose, down into your lungs, your belly expanding as you breathe? Great. Again, in through your nose. Out through your mouth. All right, now we're going to do our count. In for 3 and out for 5. In through your nose and out through your mouth. In through your nose and out through your mouth. One more time. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Good job. Right now, make sure you're sitting nice and straight, alert but not too stiff, and either close your eyes or you can look down at the ground and unfocus your gaze, whichever you're most comfortable with. Okay. Imagine floating in a special, calm place, a place you love to be, floating and gliding as you let your body and mind just rest and become very, very peaceful. Remember to continue your breathing. Now imagine entering a lovely garden full of sweet-smelling roses and lilies. Their wonderful scent mesmerizes you. You walk past the flowers, touching them lightly to feel their soft, fragrant petals. Suddenly, you see a delightful-looking building in the distance. There seems to be no one near or inside the building. You touch the doorknob and the door opens just for you. You see all sorts of controls are located, and guess what the sign on the wall says? You've come to the Happiness Production Factory. Is it really possible to create happiness? You look around and find a main switch. You decide to flip it on. You hear a clutter of machines rolling into action. You can view the whole machinery and assembly line through a large glass window. A large jar starts its journey on a belt. A machine drops down to add something. You try to peek inside and see it is adding generosity to the jar. Another machine adds sharing, and yet another adds love, and then goodness. All of these qualities are mixed together with a giant whisk. Now the jar is shifted to another belt. It moves to a compartment where it is steamed with kindness. When it comes out of the compartment, it is cooled down with lots of smiles. Patience and helpfulness are sprinkled on top. You see that happiness can be created. not by things outside of us or stuff we buy in a store. Rather, happiness is created when we do and say nice things, when we are helpful and generous. Happiness is created when we share with others and love each other. This has been such a beautiful sight to see today. Now you know the secret to manufacturing happiness. You keep this knowledge in your heart, and you also share it every chance you get. Sharing what you have learned also makes happiness grow. Now you rest easily as you walk back outside and sit down in a nice, comfy chair in the garden. There is a lot of happiness all around here, and inside of you, too. Anytime you feel a little sad, you can remember to open your own jar of happiness. You'll start to feel all the warm and good feelings that are just waiting for you to share. Open your eyes now, and when you are ready, take in a nice deep breath and stretch your body. Are you ready to start the day? Yeah? Okay. All right, thank you for coming. I'll see you next week. Enjoy your wonderful day full of happiness.